Whew.
Great job. Okay, so this one, a little bit higher here. Big deep breath in for me, and out. Good job. Another big deep breath in, and out. There we go.
Ooh.
Good. Another side for me. Another big deep breath in, and out. Good job. And stomach nice and slow. Big deep breath in and out. Good job. Another big deep breath in and out.
Holy moly.
Nice one.
Have you been doing anything different?
Not that I can think of. Work has been pretty much the same. Yeah, I don't really know. I was trying to think about it. I was like, maybe it's just how I'm sitting at work. I had a really stressful week last week, so I feel like maybe I was really hunched or something.
It's possible. Running could do it too.
Yeah. Whew,
Great job.
that one felt good.
Awesome.